Hello everybody. So today I'm just gonna show you the problem that I was facing. So first of all, let me just show you the installation. So I was doing the Tanjo project. I don't know how to pronounce that. So I was using the version 3.1.3. So we have what we call this error. So could not find the version that satisfied the requirement because I was trying to create the new project uh, with Danzo. So we have the module found error, no modules. So with this util, so while I try to install that, so I was getting the it was not I was not mentioning the uh version to install. So it was giving an error. And next thing is this utility has been depreciated, since we need to install the another package to fix this error. So we have the module no module error. So I tried to install this setup util, so I was getting an error. I don't It was because of the sub processes. And so in order to fix this, we just have to install this pip install the setup tool. Once you have installed this, now package has been installed, then you can create the project. Thank you guys.